Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the latest machines built for power, identity, and adventure. In today's episode, we take a deep dive into the new 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep, a modern rebirth of one of the most iconic off-road legends. This new model carries forward the soul of the original CJ3B while blending it with the engineering, technology, and rugged styling of 2026. The new CJ3B continues the unmistakable upright stance and classic boxy silhouette that made the original an icon. Mahindra has kept the CJ's old-school charm alive with a tall bonnet, round retro headlights, flat fenders, and a simple, purposeful design that reflects purity rather than luxury. This model pays tribute to the vehicle that once ruled farms, forces, and forests across India and beyond. Under the hood, the 2026 CJ3B comes equipped with an updated fuel-efficient petrol and diesel engine lineup. The focus is on strong low-end torque, making it ideal for climbing rocks, mud trails, and steep inclines. With a refined gearbox, enhanced cooling, and improved throttle response, this new CJ3B delivers consistent power without compromising its simple, rugged nature. Even with these updates, Mahindra stays true to its original goal: off-road capability first. The heart of the CJ3B has always been its unstoppable 4x4 system, and the 2026 version takes this legacy to a higher level. The upgraded part-time four-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and reinforced ladder frame give it the ability to handle extreme terrain. Whether it's mountain tracks, river crossings, sand dunes, or jungle routes, the new CJ3B is built to keep going when the road ends. This Jeep remains a pure, mechanical off-roader with no unnecessary electronics. Inside, the CJ3B stays functional but adds just the right amount of modern comfort. The cabin includes durable seats, weather-resistant materials, improved legroom, and a simplified digital cluster that preserves the classic appeal. The layout is intentionally minimalistic because the CJ3B has always been about freedom, not frills. It's a Jeep made for people who prefer wind, dust, and raw adventures over premium screens. Mahindra strengthens the body with updated high-tensile steel and added structural safety zones. The new CJ3B feels sturdier yet keeps its lightweight approach. The suspension setup is tuned for off-road articulation while maintaining better ride comfort on regular roads. The overall build is tougher, safer, and more reliable for long outdoor journeys. The 2026 CJ3B is expected to enter the market as an affordable, purpose-built off-roader. It targets enthusiasts who want a real Jeep experience instead of an urban SUV. With multiple variants, customizable accessories, and an iconic heritage badge, Mahindra positions this model as both a collectible and a practical adventure tool. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B is not just a launch, it's a revival. A return to the roots of off-roading with the strength of modern engineering. For purists and explorers, this Jeep is a reminder of why the CJ series became legendary in the first place. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Shift. Stay connected for more upcoming reviews and explorations of the most exciting machines of the future.